Hello my dear students, today we are going to start working with fractions. And if we are working with fractions, we are going to have a really nice treat. So I would like that you take a look at here. You are going to see different elements. You are going to see a chocolate bar, cake, some toys representing people, markers, Lego pieces. But what all of them have in common? What do you think? Is that they can be represented in fractions. Now, let's remember what a fraction is. A fraction is part of something. In this case, we have a cake. It's only one. But if you see, it's divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. So each piece, if I say I'm going to eat one piece of cake, that doesn't mean that I am going to eat all the whole cake. I am only going to eat one piece of it. Now let's see what happens with the chocolate bar. Chocolate bars usually come in little pieces. So if you see in here, this chocolate bar comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 pieces. If I eat 12 out of the 12 pieces, I eat one whole or one unit. If I eat the 6 pieces of cake, I will eat one whole cake. That's not going to happen today. But let's see here. Fractions do not represent only parts of food. Fractions can also represent parts of people. Let's say in here, these toys represent people. Let's say that we have a group of students where I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 students in one group. From the 5 students, there is one boy. So 1/5 of the group are boys. In here, I have Lego pieces. How many Lego pieces do I have in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of the 6, there are 2 dark blue, 2 light blue. So 2 out of 6 are dark blue. This other one has 4 pieces. 2 out of 4 are red and 2 out of 4 are yellow. If we come here to the board, we are going to understand that a fraction has 2 main parts. One that is called the numerator and one that is called the denominator. The denominator is telling me into how many equal parts the unit is divided. So in here, the cake has 6 parts. The denominator is 6. The part that I eat is 1 out of 6. In the cake, in the piece of chocolate, the denominator will be 12. There are 12 equal parts. In the people, 5 people. In here, 6. The number of markers, 4. So if you see, when we are talking about fractions, fractions can represent part of a whole. Like when the cake is divided into equal parts. Like when the chocolate bar is divided into equal parts. When we represent a shaded part, that is the part that we eat or that we take. But a fraction can also represent part of a group. In here, I have a group composed by 4 students. 3 girls, 1 boy. 1 out of the 4, it's a boy. Now, let's see. If this represents the unit, and I divide that unit into 2 equal parts, then I cut it into 3 equal parts, 4 equal parts, 5 equal parts, 6 equal parts, 8, 10, and 12. You see that the portion is every single time smaller. That means that the greater the denominator is, the smaller the fraction. So observe over here, 1/2 is less than 1/3. So we are going to represent like this. 1/2 is greater than 1/3. Imagine the following. You have the cake divided into 2 parts, the cake divided into 3 parts. So in here you eat half of the cake, and in here you eat 1/3 of a cake. Obviously you eat more when you share with someone, not when you have to share with more people. So I guess that we learn a little about fractions today. See you in the next class.